Hi there. The stock market is crazy. It's nuts. The market doesn't know where to go. It went down and then it got up. Um, well, today is the day of the inflation. Inflation for September was reported and it was lower than the last month, but not low enough. It was 8.2%. And last month it was, maybe it was 8.1. I don't remember. It was lower, just 0.1% since the last month. And the pace is too slow, the market thinks. Well, so I thought. And then the market went up. Suddenly today, it's right now 2.5 hours after opening, and the market is very strong at the moment, and it's crazy. But it's good in a way. For an investor, it's good that the market is crazy. The way I see it, when the market is crazy, it's time to buy, because then the market doesn't know where to go. It falls and then it's increasing and falls again and increase again. It doesn't know where to go, and that's a sign that the uncertainty is very present, and it's no stability at all. And that's perfect, as I see it, if you are a long-term investor. If you don't care about what happens in the next few hours, the next few days, the next few weeks, the next few months, then it's a perfect time to buy, I think. And the perfect way to do it is to buy not all in one time, but you buy maybe well, how shall I put it? You buy every week, for example. If the market is going down even more, then you can celebrate next week. Then you can buy even cheaper than you can do today. And then you continue to do this under the time when the market is really crazy. Because if you if you think about the future, and not the future next week or the next month, you think about the future in terms of next year and the year after that and the year after that, a longer perspective on your investments. Then times like this, when the stock market has fallen a lot since the beginning of the year and it's very unstable at the moment, then it's a very good time to buy, I think. So that's what I do. I buy as much as I can, and I'm looking ahead, several years ahead, and think, when I look back, when I in 2025 look back on 2022, then I will probably think that that was very, very interesting price levels in the autumn of 2022. So I don't go crazy when the market is crazy. I stay calm and think about the future and think about its low prices right now. It's a good time to buy. It's a good time to buy stocks and it's a good time to invest in the stock market. That's what I think in these times. Then you never know where the bottom is. How 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 much will the stock market fall? Well, no one knows. But if you keep investing, that's what I do in markets like this, then it probably will be a very good deal if you look ahead a few years. Maybe that you don't have to wait that long, but it's better to think like that, I think. To think 2, 3, 4 years ahead and think, will the stock prices be as low as now, even in 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 years? Well, I don't think so, because I think the world will keep on turning and keep on growing, and good companies will be even bigger, and then the stock prices will increase. So it's a perfect time, I think, to buy. And you can buy almost anything on the stock market. I have bought, as I said in a previous video, I have invested in 22 different companies in the US stock market, and it's just the big companies I have chosen. Not everyone, of course, there are several more than 22. But I have chosen 22. I could have chosen 30 or 40 because I think the prices on a lot of stocks right now is a very good price. If you look ahead, if you think several years into the future. So, that's what I do. I think in the future. I look ahead. And I'm looking forward to the coming years, 2023, 24, 25. I think that would be years of celebration. So, in short, no panic right now. Just keep calm. Invest week after week, as long as the market is crazy like this. And I think that would be a real good investment in the long term, 2, 3, 4 years or something like that. Then you can celebrate. That's what I think. That's what I'm looking forward to. So don't be afraid of the stock market because it's crazy. This is a gift to investors to buy cheaper than before if you're a long time investor. This is a real good time to buy. Yeah, that's what I think, and that's what I do. Keep on watching my videos. I will report more about my investments, and I will also talk about the stock market in general. How you can think about the stock market, how you can learn how to do the right thing in the right time. It's never easy. There is no guarantee of anything. But if you keep calm and you have and you look ahead several years, that's a big help. If you just look here and now, then you can go crazy yourself because the stock market can make you crazy. Don't be crazy. Keep calm, look ahead, think about the future, think about when the market is crazy, then, well, crazy in the negative way I'm talking about now, of course, then it's a good time to buy. If you look back in history, it has always almost always been a good time to buy when the market is crazy on the low side. So that's what I do. That's how I reason, and I'm looking forward to the future when the stock prices are increasing and I have bought, did my investment and have a lot of stocks that will increase in the future. Yeah, so keep on following me, and you will hear a lot more about my investments and my view on the stock market. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.